Be ready, start. We considered recently a few points regarding shorthand writing, and it may be of interest if we now deal with those points in a little more detail. You may remember that our first point was that you, as shorthand writers, should not regard any sort of paper as good enough for shorthand notes. If the paper you use is of poor quality, you are making it less easy for yourself in your attempts to write at a higher rate. Your writing materials should always be of the very best quality, both in your school work and at the office. Also, you must train yourself to turn over a page very quickly. Otherwise, you will find that by the time you have turned the page, the reader will be too many words in front of you. It has been found that many shorthand writers fail to pass shorthand tests simply because they have taken too long to turn over the page, and so have lost several words. It is easy to understand this when you consider that when you are writing at the rate of 60 words a minute, you are writing one word a second. When you are writing at 120 words a minute, you are writing 2 words a second. It is clear, therefore, that you must not waste 5 more of your valuable seconds on turning over a page. It must turned without the waste of 1 second. Para. The next point was that the writer should develop a light and easy touch, passing very quickly from one outline to the next, and from the end of one line to the beginning of the next. We very often see shorthand writers in the early days of their training writing much too heavily. Every attempt should be made to overcome this, and it is never too soon to begin. You will find it easy.